The server maintenance error on Samsung televisions is a common issue that users encounter when attempting to access smart features and applications. Understanding this error is crucial for effective troubleshooting. This error message indicates a temporary unavailability of Samsung's servers, which are essential infrastructure components that enable access to applications, smart television features, and system updates. This error typically arises from three primary sources: scheduled maintenance performed by Samsung, unexpected server outages due to technical difficulties, or network connectivity problems that may occur on either Samsung's infrastructure or your local network. It is essential to differentiate between a general network connectivity issue and a specific Samsung server problem. The diagnostic process begins with systematic verification of your network infrastructure. Begin the assessment by testing your internet connection using other devices connected to the same network. If laptops, smartphones, and tablets are functioning correctly with internet access, this indicates that the issue likely resides with Samsung's server infrastructure rather than your local network. Once you have confirmed that your network connectivity is functioning properly, the next step involves checking Samsung's official support channels and community forums for announcements regarding scheduled server maintenance or unexpected service outages. This systematic initial assessment will help determine the precise scope of the problem and provide clear guidance for subsequent troubleshooting steps, ensuring an efficient resolution process. Understanding these fundamental concepts provides the foundation for effective troubleshooting of Samsung television server maintenance errors. When the server maintenance error persists and Samsung's servers appear operational, systematic troubleshooting is required. We will examine 5 progressive solutions, starting with the simplest approach. Step 1 involves performing a complete power cycle of your Samsung television. This process clears temporary system glitches and resets the device's internal state. Step 2 requires updating your television's firmware. Navigate to Settings, then Support, and select Software Update. Outdated firmware frequently causes compatibility issues with Samsung's server infrastructure. Step 3 involves resetting the Smart Hub to clear cached data and application settings. Access Settings, then Support, followed by Self-Diagnosis, and select Reset Smart Hub. You will need to enter your PIN, which defaults to 0000. Step 4 is a factory reset, which should be considered as a last resort. This process restores your television to original factory settings and erases all personal configurations and installed applications. Ensure you back up any important data before proceeding. Step 5 involves contacting Samsung customer support if all previous troubleshooting steps have failed to resolve the server maintenance error. Samsung's technical support team can provide advanced diagnostics and specialized assistance for persistent issues. These 5 troubleshooting steps provide a comprehensive approach to resolving Samsung TV server maintenance errors. Begin with the power cycle and progress through each step systematically until the issue is resolved.